you're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen, and to ultimately impress the wife. Hello and welcome back to the 30th episode of Impress the Wife. And today we are going to dedicate this episode to the Asian aunties everywhere in the world. Yes, that's right. They're hungry and looking for something healthy to eat. So here's to you. So aunties, let's start. Slice your fish fillet of choice into strips. You can use any white-fleshed fish that have low to medium fat content, such as tilapia or bass, or any fish that's suitable for frying. Avoid fish varieties that have delicate flesh. It'll just crumble and break once you mix everything back together. Using cod is actually pushing it a bit already, so be gentle. Season with salt, white pepper, sesame oil, and shallot oil. Just a tip, in Asian cooking, the sesame oil helps to get rid of the fishy smell. But of course, always make sure to have the freshest fish available. Trying to mask the funk of a bad piece of fish won't get you anywhere. You may hide the smell, but the nasty taste won't go away. Add the egg white and tapioca starch. The egg white helps the starch cling onto the fish and creates a nice layer of coating upon frying. But for this recipe, I tried to avoid having a thick batter. I didn't want the fish to look like corn dogs. I'm pretty sure all the aunties will agree with me. Thin coating is good. Mix until everything is well combined and set aside to marinate. Now we'll slice the green onion and dice the onion. Auntie, feel free to add red or green bell pepper as well. I think it greatly contributes to the overall flavor. I just didn't have any on hand. Chop your garlic and ginger. Slice the tofu into your desired shape. On medium-high heat, fry the tofu until light brown. After the tofu, fry the fish. Drop the fish one by one to avoid sticking. Fry until golden brown. We'll then saute the onion until soft. Add the garlic and ginger. Cook for a minute, then add the salted black beans. Chinese black beans impart a briny taste and it's really good with fish, pork, chicken, and beef. You should experiment with it. Add the water or stock. Stir, 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 and in goes the oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. Thicken with slurry and adjust the taste. When you're happy with it, bring the tofu and fish fillet back. Combine everything and let the fish absorb some of the sauce. Give this a final taste again and we're ready to plate. Oh, look at that. Enjoy. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.